How to use VideoAE to make a glowing effect. Let's learn together today. First, import the video into VideoAE. Here, I adjust the resolution of the video. Select 16:9 horizontal screen and modify the data. Preview the video effect. Here, I need to use the cutout function in the tools in the lower left corner because my material has a green background. So here I choose color cutout and click on the green to remove the background directly. The preview may have bars. Just adjust it with feather. Save it in GIF format and continue making. Move the layer to a suitable position and preview the layer without background at this time. Duplicate this layer. Click Transform and modify Transition to see that the position of the layer will be changed. Let's not change it here and light up the small dots on the keyframe. Then move the time hand to the position of the layer for 2 seconds and modify the transition data. Here I move her horizontally to the right a little distance. Duplicate another layer of this layer and go directly to Transform to modify the second value of transition and change it to the left. Such a clone animation is ready. You can adjust which character is at the front according to the layer order. If you want to change other actions, you can create the keyframe data of transition. Finally, I add a video as a background layer. How about that? Have you learned it?